Hello everyone, my name is Neil Fuentes. Welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here in my kitchen, and today we're going to talk about seafood chowder. But remember, this is Latin twisted dishes with Neil Fuentes. So we're going to add a little Latin twist into this beautiful dish. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a little bit of olive oil and we're going to add it to the pan. Once our olive oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our onions and our celery. And we're going to let those sweat for about 5 to 10 minutes until they're nice and translucent. We're going to add the clams, we're going to add the potatoes, and we're going to add the scallops to that, and we're going to add a little bit of fresh thyme, and then we add some white wine. Once the white wine has dissolved and also actually disappeared because it's going to evaporate, and then we're going to cook that for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are nice and soft. And by the way, you can use any type of potato that you want. Once the potatoes are nice and soft, then we add the cream and we add the clam juice, and we're going to let that cook for about 5 more minutes. Once that is done, we're going to chop our beautiful queso fresco over here in nice squares, and we're going to add it to the soup. And then we add a little cilantro to finish the soup, which is going to give it a nice aroma. And ladies and gentlemen, you are ready to eat your seafood chowder.